Welcome back to Barbara and Haskell's Kitchen. My name is Amanda. Today I am joined with Micah in the Barbara and Haskell's showroom, and we are making an Easter dinner. It's going to be chicken, roasted chicken. It's my favorite roast chicken recipe. Perfect to make when you have company over, or something you can just make on a weeknight because it's really quick and easy to make.
And here we are, we're standing in front of this KitchenAid wall oven, microwave, convection oven combo, where we also have a warming drawer down beneath. So there's a lot of different products. Something like this is really useful when doing big dinners, where you can cook things in the oven, you can heat up things in the microwave or convection oven, and at the same time, keep different things warm down below in the warming drawer while waiting for other things to catch up.
Yes, very awesome. So let's see how it's done. So that's how you make my favorite roast chicken recipe.
Yeah, and if anyone ever has any questions about any of the recipes we do, you can post them down below. You can come in. Any questions on any of the products we sell, of how to use them to better help you make your dinners, feel free to come in anytime. We'd be more than happy to help you out.
Yes, and on the next edition of Barbara and Haskell's Kitchen, we are making bacon and eggs on the Traeger with our Traeger rep. Super exciting. Tune in 2 weeks from now.